In today's video, I'll show you how to create a segment on ConvertKit. Segments help you organize your subscribers based on specific criteria, making your email marketing more targeted and effective. First, open your web browser and go to convertkit.com. Log into your account or register if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Subscribers tab. Here you'll manage all your subscriber lists. Look for the Create Segment button and click it to start building your segment. Give your segment a clear and descriptive name. For example, high value customers or newsletter subscribers, something that makes it easy to identify later. Next, set the criteria that define who belongs in this segment. Click Add Filter and choose from options like tags, custom fields, email activity, or even purchases if you run an online store. This helps you narrow down your audience to exactly who you want to target. Once your filters are set, preview the segment to make sure the correct subscribers are included. If everything looks right, click Save to finalize your segment. And that's it. Your segment is now ready, allowing you to send personalized, highly targeted emails to boost engagement and results. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.